So, welcome friends. Today I will be talking about how to download the full research paper with the help of Sci-Hub. We all know that Sci-Hub is a great website, but it has few limitations. So, before going on to anything, I recommend you to download the Telegram app on your phone. So after you have downloaded the Telegram on your phone, you have to activate Telegram on your computer. You can use either Telegram web, or you can also download the Telegram desktop website. So after downloading the Telegram, you have to search for at Sci-Hub OT. So it's Sci-Hub OT, not Sci-Hub bot. Otherwise other bots will come. And this first one, you will find this screen, and then you'll have to start. Once you have started, it will show you this message, and now you're ready to go. So next is we'll go to PubMed, and suppose we want some articles on superior oblique palsy, and so you can see here that all these articles are present. In this one is having a free PMC article. I'm not talking about these articles, I'm talking about the other articles which are present. So suppose we want to know that the full version is available or not. So once we'll see that whether the full version is available, we'll see here that full version of this article you have to actually go and get an access. So how to download it? We'll come back to the PubMed. We just need this DOI. So with this, the help of DOI, we'll just go and enter the DOI here. So we have just copy pasted the DOI, and voila, we have got this article. We can download it and view it on our computer, and also it gives us a citation, so that in future, even if you have to search, you can always search for these articles. Similarly, you can download for others as well, and some articles which are not available on the Sci-Hub will not be available here. But the best option is there is no sign in, there is no captcha, there is no waiting, and this articles are always named by the first author in the year which they are published, and you can always find them here. And the best thing is you can share it with others as well. Maybe we'll just try and see whether this one is available or not. Oh yes, the other way where how we can find the article is PMID. So even if we put PMID here, we should get a full version, and yes, so it will give the full version of the same articles. You can see that means it is by the same author. Also we can cut and copy the article title from JPUS articles I've seen are not available on Sci-Hub. Suppose I want this article, and for this article I can either paste the DOI or just the title. So let's see, with the title it will come. So it does not recognize the title here. It says either send the full URL or the DOI. So you can also send the full URL, and let's see whether it gives us the full article. Yes, it's Zhang 2017. This article is by Zhang. When we see it, we can see that this full article is downloaded. So thank you guys, and I hope you'll make your literature search fun and happening. Go ahead and publish some articles. Goodbye.